The Williamson Turn is a critical maneuver in maritime emergencies, particularly when it comes to man overboard situations. Understanding how to execute this maneuver can mean the difference between life and death. So, let's break it down step by step. When a person goes overboard, the first instinct is to react quickly. The Williamson turn is designed specifically for this scenario. It involves turning the ship in a way that maximizes the chances of recovering the person in the water. The maneuver is initiated by turning the ship away from the person, typically at a 60-degree angle. This initial turn allows the vessel to create a safe distance from the person while still keeping them in sight. After the initial turn, the ship continues on this course for a short distance before making a second turn back toward the person. This second turn is crucial. It's a reciprocal course turn that positions the ship to return to the point where the person fell overboard. The key here is timing and distance. The ship must travel far enough to allow for a safe approach, but not so far that the person drifts out of reach. The effectiveness of the Williamson turn lies in its design. It takes into account the ship's speed and the drift of the person in the water. Factors like wind and current can significantly affect the recovery process, so understanding these elements is essential for successful mob recovery. The maneuver is adaptable to various types of waters, whether you're operating in calm seas or rough conditions. Historically, the Williamson turn has been a staple in maritime training and is part of SOLAS drills, which emphasize ship safety and seamanship. It's a technique that has been refined over the years, ensuring that seafarers are equipped with the skills needed to respond to emergencies effectively. In terms of accuracy, practicing the Williamson turn during navigation training is vital. Crew members should familiarize themselves with the ship's handling characteristics and how to execute the turn under different conditions. This practice not only builds confidence but also ensures that everyone on board knows their roles during an emergency. To summarize, the Williamson turn is a vital ship maneuvering technique that enhances safety at sea. By understanding its steps, initiating a turn away from the person, maintaining a safe distance, and executing a reciprocal turn back, you can significantly improve the chances of a successful man overboard recovery. Remember, in maritime emergencies, every second counts, and knowing how to perform this maneuver can save lives.